Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the lip sync value on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. So first, let's open up the settings right here. And now let's go over to sound. Now here, go to audio output settings. And here we will have the lip sync. So we can change it either from 0, I think it's up to 10. So yeah, you guys can change it from 0 up to 10. And I recommend you guys setting it up at 3. I think it's the best option possible. And it's all up to your preference. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.